Meatball soup is what we're making today. Yeah, meatball soup. It's in my husband's family. My husband's aunt taught me how to make it, and the family loves it. So let's start. I made homemade broth, and I put it in the fridge and let the fat rise to the top, and then I get rid of it before I use it. I'm going to heat it up, and then we're going to start adding in the different vegetables. We're going to start out with onion, celery, carrot, and little potatoes. Let that cook for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add in the string beans. Everything is cut up bite size. And last but not least, the mini meatballs will go in. And I'll let you know how it's going along the way.